Well, happy random April day. This is very weird for two reasons. One is, I haven't been outside during social hours for I don't know how long. It's like 5:30 or something. So this is very weird for me. And it's also the latest I've left my little compound since I lived here. So neat. There's been other people out here, but they're all locals. So they're just like with their families and stuff. So just me and the dog. I woke up today and there was no sun, but it was such an amazing day. I opened every window and door in the house and just lounged around, made some sous vide pork and quinoa and asparagus. Just hard to get a fire lit in me when there's no sunshine. I thought maybe the sun would peek out here, but I don't think it's going to. Also, I thought the water would be in farther, but it's totally not. I don't think we're going to make it to the sea today. We have to cross too many of these mud paths. We've gone through like 2 or 3 already. I mean, it's not that far, but sometimes it feels, carrying the camera feels like a lot of extra work. But we'll see. So, we're going to get out here and clean a little land out here for Frisbee. I should have done a bunch of sewing today, but yeah, just kind of lounged around, just amazed that weather could be this nice. This is pure California. Every door and window wide open. No bugs. So perfect. Honestly, it's actually quite warm yesterday, so I wasn't expecting this at all. Yeah, I was just, I don't know. All right. Now I had to pick up some poopies on the beach because there was a lot of people there. But I think we're gonna stop here for a Frisbee. See how that goes. I'm gonna drop the poopies here. Boop. Unhook the dog. Boop. Oops, you went the wrong way. I have to throw it that way because the wind is going that way. You can see this little bit of sunshine, and you might be able to see like the volleyball and the cars over there. The dog wants to visit people, but we're kind of too far away right now. So I don't think he will. Do I want to go to the sea? I don't have shorts on, so if I get out there, I can't really go in there anyway. I really just wanted to get some fresh air and see what it was like out here at this other time of the day. So, that's alright. I'm just gonna play with the dog some more. He just has a lot of dog energy. Are you amazed at how that poops that got out here with your poop in it? I know, it's like a weird magic trick. Hopefully I don't forget it. Okay. Alright. Good. Who's a good boy? Woohoo! Are you happy we got the let out? Alright, we're just gonna walk a little bit more. I think I'll put the camera back in my pocket for now. But that's it. Hello from San Felipe on an April evening.